According to the 2020 National Electrical Code, countertop surfaces with more than 12 inches of countertop space must have at least one receptacle outlet placed within 24 inches of the edge of the counter. Let's consider a specific kitchen installation scenario to understand how these rules apply. Imagine a counter in a kitchen with outlets spaced roughly 4 feet apart. The first outlet, positioned to the left of a double sink, is located 8 inches from the edge of the counter. Moving to the right side, there is about 36 inches from the right side of the sink door wall, which then turns at a 90-degree angle. There is another outlet 24 inches from the edge on the right side of the double sink. Now consider the addition of an appliance garage in the right-hand corner. The outlet initially to the right is now inside the appliance garage, thus no longer serving as a required counter outlet. The wall of the appliance garage is 10 inches from the right side of the double sink. The next outlet, situated to the right of the garage, is 8 inches from the garage edge. Horizontally, along the wall, this outlet is approximately 7 feet from the right side of the sink. Given the 10-inch space between the sink and the garage, the question arises whether an outlet is required in that space, considering that an outlet is generally required for any counter space of 12 inches or more, or within 24 inches of the edge of the sink. In this specific scenario, the first outlet to the left of the double sink is 8 inches from the edge. This placement meets the code requirement for that section of the countertop. The outlet to the right of the appliance garage is also within 24 inches of the edge of the countertop. This satisfies the code requirement for that section as well. Now let's address the 10-inch space between the sink and the appliance garage. Because the space is less than 12 inches, an outlet is not explicitly required in that area according to the code. It is worth noting that a contractor might choose to install an outlet in such a space based on the expectation that it would be convenient for appliances or other devices used in that area. However, such an outlet might not always be feasible or practical and could be located too close to the sink. Based strictly on code requirements, an outlet is not mandatory in the 10-inch space between the sink and the appliance garage. Because the spacing is less than 12 inches, that outlet isn't needed. However, if an outlet exists and is deemed useful, it can certainly be used. Conversely, if it is found to be impractical or poses a hazard due to its proximity to the sink, it can be removed or capped off. When considering the placement of outlets, especially near sinks and other potentially wet areas, it's important to keep safety in mind. Firstly, ground fault circuit interrupter protection is essential for receptacles serving countertop surfaces in kitchens. These devices are designed to quickly interrupt the electrical circuit if a ground fault is detected, greatly reducing the risk of electric shock. Secondly, it's important to consider the location of the receptacle relative to the sink. While the code doesn't specify a minimum distance, it is generally recommended to avoid placing receptacles directly above or within easy reach of the sink. This helps to prevent water from splashing into the receptacle and creating a shock hazard. Thirdly, when installing receptacles in a kitchen, it's also crucial to use the correct type of wiring and boxes. Moisture-resistant cable, such as Type UF cable, should be used in areas where moisture is likely to be present. Furthermore, the receptacle boxes should be made of non-conductive material, such as plastic, to further reduce the risk of electric shock. In some situations, it may be necessary to install additional outlets beyond what is required by the code. This might be the case if you have a lot of countertop appliances or if you frequently use electrical devices in your kitchen. By providing more outlets, you can avoid overloading existing circuits and reduce the risk of fire. To summarize, when planning the electrical layout of your kitchen, it's important to consider both the code requirements and your own specific needs. By carefully planning the placement of receptacles and taking appropriate safety precautions, you can create a safe and functional kitchen that meets your needs for years to come. Furthermore, it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your electrical installation is up to code and safe. They can provide expert advice and guidance, and they can also perform the installation work for you.